What's up, everyone? This is Silver Slayer, and welcome to your daily silver stacking video. Thank you for tuning in and supporting the silver stacking community. The best way to support this extremely important video is by liking the video and leaving a comment. Even if you just say, hey, what's up, Slayer, that will help this video get shown in front of as many silver stackers or potential silver stackers as possible. And you're about to find out why that is so critical in a second. We are doing a giveaway this coming up weekend, so make sure you click subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss the entry video. You don't want to miss it, trust me. And we're also doing a giveaway on the Silver Stacking Podcast. Only the first 1,000 subscribers are going to be entered, and we are at 889 subscribers, so go subscribe quick because the slots are filling up. We're also posting a podcast every Friday on that channel, and we post segments throughout the week of the podcast if you weren't able to watch the hour-long podcast. We have some very good big special guests coming up. It's going to be a lot of fun. It's a really cool new platform. Just hearing two silver stackers talk about certain things, especially coming from two different backgrounds. He's more of the charts, the numbers. I'm more of the silver stacker. So it's really fun, very interesting stuff, and I know you're going to like that as well. Now, a lot of people were asking about GSX. There's another site you can also you can buy and sell on there. It's a lot easier than the CDE site. That's where I started, but I've been in crypto since 2016, and a lot of people don't know how to use an exchange like Apollo Wallet. So what I'm going to show you is Bitmart. This is also where you can buy it and sell it. This is Bitmart. You can buy it and you can sell it right there for Bitcoin, or you can sell it to the debit or credit card you have linked. It is a lot easier than the CDE site, but that's where I've always purchased it. But I did realize a lot of people don't know how to use some of those exchanges. So this is an easier place to do so, or you can trade the GSX from the CDE site to Bitmart if you want to just do it here from now on. So that link will be in the description as well. They actually, if you keep up with Steve McCullough's Twitter, which I highly recommend, I'll post that in the description, they locked in another contract in Zambia and Mozambique, and they are starting some new projects as well, like Knox, the Knox Wire, and actually in, I forget if it's Zimbabwe, they're actually using GSX as a real currency there as well. So it's just a really cool project. It's fascinating what they're doing and how revolutionary it really is. So this 1 ounce bar is $5.66. How is that possible? How is that possible? What if I was to tell you that this was real? Would you believe me? Well, I hope you wouldn't, because this is not a real silver bar, but they do try to display it as it is. Here, let me move the face cam over. This is an American Prospector 1 ounce 999 value fine silver bullion bar US metal coin collectible. Now, silver is collectible. It's an investment, right? So you could try to, and a lot of people do, just say, oh, it's just a collectible 1 ounce silver bar, right? Silver's collectible. So you're looking at this bar. It says 0.999 fine silver from Silvertown. It looks legit. That is dangerous. And if you go to some of the comments, nice piece, go very good with my collection, great item, fast delivery, I like to collect, and this is a nice one, very happy, nice product, 5 stars everywhere. That is extremely dangerous, ladies and gentlemen. And it's not just this. They have a lot of different types of silver on here. And actually, let me go back to that listing real quick. Look at this. Look at this. You can pay 4 interest-free payments of $1.41 to buy a silver bar. Let's go to the related. Let's see, $23.999 silver bars, 10 pieces. You can get 10 ounces of silver for $23. They even have gold. I mean, this is so dangerous because Wish.com is where a lot of people go to buy different things. So some of these people, and I've actually covered this before, and some of the comments are extremely disturbing, they believe that they are buying real silver, right? So you got to be careful. You always want to buy from big bullion dealers like Bullion Max, AppMex, Provident Metals, JM Bullion. Don't ever go somewhere else. And if you are going on eBay, I'm going to show you something that you really got to be careful with. But this video is also focused towards local coin shops. This entire video is talking about buying silver and the dangers that come with it. So let's move on to local coin shops real quick. So I went to a couple different coin shops and looked at their stats. So you're gonna see this first one from Chuck's Coin and Gold Exchange. This is where I've interviewed before. Look at one of these comments. I trust Chuck, he's respectful, he offers good money for the silver I sell him. He also has good prices if I want to buy. It's nice going to a store and seeing what you buy rather than purchasing online where you have to deal with fees. There are other shops in the area who I do not trust, but that is not Chuck. That is an extremely important and relevant thing to highlight because I'm going to show you the next review from a different coin shop actually in the similar area as well. Now look at this comment from someone that's reviewing the Executive Coin Company. Do not bring coins here unless you are selling them for silver. If selling them for collector's value, you will receive 20 to 30% of the minimum value. That is why you have to understand the coin shop. And not every coin shop is bad, right? I don't want to portray coin shops as this evil place. Every single one's different. Some of them are focused more towards the collector value. Some of them more silver is silver. This is one of those places. And what he meant when he said, don't bring coins here unless you're selling them only for silver, he meant just the metal content. If they have any type of premium, even semi-numismatic coins, do not bring the silver there or you will get ripped off. You have to sell online. Now, a lot of people are going to go to eBay. Let me show you something. If you're going on eBay, especially buying junk silver, there's something you got to know. 90% silver, yes, it's 90%. But if you want to calculate how much actual silver you're getting in the coin, you have to do this formula. It is face value times 0.715. That will show you how much actual silver is inside of or that you're buying, and then you compare that to spot price. So this is a half ounce of 90% coins. Let me show you something that's extremely dangerous, and this is how they get people. Let's go down here. You're going to look at something right here as well. You see how he says you will not receive 40% war nickels or silver coins or war nickels? Some places will add in silver that isn't 90%. Or let's go to something that's even more dangerous. I want to see this. Here it is. Look at this. 1 standard ounce of 90% coins. Silver is a troy ounce. 1 ounce is a troy ounce. It's not 28 grams. But on eBay, they will sell as a standard ounce, not a troy ounce, to rip you off 3 more grams. So not only are they charging $28 for an ounce, it's actually even less than an ounce. You have to be careful. This is a dollar face value, 90% coins for $24. Now, you have to always read this as well. $3.99 flat rate shipping, so it's actually more than $24. I mean, you can get the picture of how dangerous this is and how much money people lose buying junk silver online. Always go to a local coin shop. Now, even Morgans are a very tricky market. Now, you have to understand the market of something before you invest. Let me go over, I think it's this one. This looks like a good deal, right? What if I was to tell you it's actually not a good deal and you're getting ripped off? 1921 is the last year that Morgans were minted. The last year. There's a lot of 1921s in circulation. Every year Morgans were minted at an extremely different, flexible type of mint. Some years a lot more, some years a lot less, and you have to know the different mints. Philadelphia mint's the most popular. Carson City mint's the most rare. If you don't know that, then you're gonna get ripped off. And if you can't tell condition. But also, let me show you something else. See where it says polished? That also kills the value. So you have to know what you're looking for, and you have to know how to determine which coin or which year is more rare or not. We could even go down here and look at some of these, because they're going to overprice you. They're going to take people's, I guess, vulnerability, which is lack of knowledge, and use that against you, right? You can see a lot of these aren't buy it nows, but you could see how easy it is for people to rip people off on eBay, and especially wish.com. You want to avoid places like that. I do want to talk deeper into local coin shops though. So I wanted to give some context online. Hopefully a lot of you are seeing how serious this is and how I really want this video to get shown in front of potential silver investors or stackers, because it would be terrible for someone to start stacking, but they're at an extreme disadvantage because they either got ripped off or paid a much higher price than they should have or that they could have. And now it's going to be hard to even break even, especially with premiums nowadays. If you can find silver for anywhere close to $3 over spot, for that's going to be a lot easier to profit from than someone who's paying $10, $15 over spot, right? Especially if you're buying a lot of silver. That adds up. That's why I say the top 5. Local coin shops are a great place to buy from, but not to sell to, because they go by, and not every place, but most of them go by spot price. And as you could see in one of those comments, not all of them do, right? If you could see, it's this comment, you could see, do not sell if it has any type of collectible value. And that means if it's a panda, kookaburra, any type of coin where it's not only sold for the silver, but a little bit of collectible value, maybe because the design changes yearly, so people want to collect every design. But if it's a coin like an American Eagle, Maple Leaf, coins like that, where the design stays the same every year, there's nothing special about it, and it's sold solely for the 1 ounce inside of it. Now, American Eagles are different now because there's such a shortage of them. So those are almost classified as a semi-numismatic coin, which is so weird to even say. Numismatic coins are only sold for the collector value, nothing has to do with the metal inside of it. Semi-numismatic has to do with the metal and collectible, and just bullion, plain silver, is just the metal inside of it. So you have to know that. You have to. And you have to know, if you do have, which one of those coins where to buy from and sell to, or you're going to be put at an extreme disadvantage. And that's really why I'm trying to push this video. If you sell a panda or a kookaburra or anywhere, even a Morgan, to a local coin shop, he's only going to offer you a couple dollars over spot, even though you just paid $10, $15, $20 over spot. I've taken silver to places, even Chuck's coins, even this other place. He looks at silver as silver. He's going to tell you, I don't care how pretty that coin is. I don't care about any of that. He said he's buying the 1 ounce inside of that coin, not how pretty it looks. That is dangerous for a potential seller. If you don't know that, you're going to take your pandas there, and he's going to offer you $3 over spot when you just paid 10, maybe 13, 14, $15 over spot. And you will get your head ripped off, and you will not break even. You will lose money. You have to know that. A lot of coin shops don't want you to know that. They don't. A lot of coin shops don't want you to know that you can go online and buy from a place that's a lot cheaper, or that has a much wider variety. Yes, sometimes there's shipping fees, but not if you spend $99 to, usually nowadays it's $200, you get free shipping, right? You have to know this stuff. And when it goes to selling, yes, you will make your money back online selling pandas and kookaburras. You will not sell a panda or kookaburra $3 over spot, because you could sell it for $10, $15 over spot and maybe more, and they will still buy. Now, selling is a whole different video. I've made videos on that. I really just want to talk about where to sell to, not how to set up an eBay account and why. I don't want to go into all that, but I do want you to know that when it comes to buying and selling, where you buy and sell from is extremely important. And hopefully now you have a better understanding of the situation, whether it's Wish, whether it's eBay, whether it's local coin shops. It all makes a huge difference. And that's why I say, if you're not educated, if you're not watching videos on YouTube, then you're going to screw yourself over. Today's day and age, you have to be kept in the loop. You have to. The days of just buying silver blindly, aimlessly, and just hoping you make money is over. You have to know what's happening. You have to be strategizing. It's called a silver stacking strategy. That means maybe balancing your stack. If you have a lot of bullion and you want to diversify your stack and protect it against spot price and go into pandas or something, then do that. I can't tell you what to do, but for me personally, if my entire stack is pegged to spot price, then in 20 years of spot price is still $24. My stack hasn't appreciated a single dollar. If I'm buying other coins, semi-numismatic coins like pandas, kookaburras, those coins double, triple, quadruple over the next 10 plus years. So at least, even if spot price stays low, which I don't think it will, but even if it did, I have other coins that are going to still be appreciating, that are detached from spot price. Now, yes, I do think there will be a day and age where all silver will become detached, but that is still a safety net where if it does stay low, at least I'm profiting off something. So yeah, I'm going to wrap this video up here. Hopefully you found this video educational, informational, at least entertaining. Make sure to hit the like button. I would appreciate it if you did, especially leave a comment as well. That's the best way to help this video out. If you want to possibly win some silver this weekend, make sure you click subscribe. Also, the Silver Stacking Podcast is throwing a giveaway out there as well. And we are only, 111 subscribers away. So you want to make sure you go do that now. Thanks for tuning in. This was Silver Slayer. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.